Hi there, Tony Bonus here with STARLINE Windows. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to properly measure for a screen for your vertical sliding window. So the quick and easy thing to remember is it's always width first and then height. So width times height. So what you want to do is get the clear opening width where the screen's going to go. And what you're going to do is deduct 1/8 of an inch from that dimension you get. So I get 27 inches, so we're going to make that screen width a little bit smaller, so it's going to be 26 7/8. And then you're going to get the clear opening of the height of this vertical sliding window. And we'll say we've got 21.5. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to make that screen dimension 21 5/8. Now the reason why we're adding 1/8 of an inch is because the tension spring in that material is going to go into a little slot here. And it's going to force up and then spring back, spring loaded, and hold the screen securely in place. So yeah, a little tip to remember, width first, then height. On the width again, deduct 1/8 of an inch, and on the height, you're going to add 1/8 of an inch. And that's how you successfully measure for a vertical sliding screen for a STARLINE window. Any more frequently asked questions, check us out on our website. We've got a great YouTube channel as well. And contact us through Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and we'd love to hear from you.